hitting my line, I was talking about the same wasting my time, starting to think that you were brainless. One of a kind is what you had me thinking you were. Out of my mind, and the truth hurt. Damn, so I can't lie.
Is the carpel, which is an enrolled leaf with seeds along its margins and a green pea pod. For example, is a carpel used at the marble. See Chapter 8 for more info. Composed of either a oval with a carpel, dang, is there a period? And is a part of an ovary that becomes a fruit. I didn't catch that. My hands like that.
Money.
1 point is all we need, baby.
Alright, come on. Hey, you guys haven't won yet. Are you kidding me?
That's dubs, baby.
That was right. No!
Yes, it was. Alright, hey, we're winning this game.
Cut.
You have to hit that.
Okay.
Hey! Hey!
Alright. Yes! Count it!
Hello, my name is Colby Ruth. These are my associates, Eli Friend, Luis Quinones, and Christian Rhoda. And we are Stratton Longwood. Here at Stratton Longwood, it is our #1 priority that we provide our customers with the utmost excellence.
Hey, yo, Paulie! Yo, Paulie, I quit!
It is our mission that we make everyone happy, and more importantly, rich.
Our goal is to make significant gains in our trades to make sure that our clients' needs are fully met.
So how many clients do y'all have so far?
Well, we don't really like to discuss our clientele with the public.
When it comes to investing strategy, it's quite simple. Okay, we hook the consumer with the idea. We paint the picture that the stock we are selling is the best thing since Lulu leggings.
Normally people who are diagnosed with dissociative identity disorder, or DID, are diagnosed at an early age or the beginning of adulthood. It puts this group in that perfect category.
Once we do that, we unload the bullshit.
This is one of the worst cases I've ever seen.
Hi, how you doing?
Hello, who's this?
My name is Colby Ruth, and I am the senior stockbroker here at Stratton Longwood. I received your name from a friend of yours, and I was told that you may be interested in investing in a new and revolutionary tech company. Is that correct?
Who friend recommend me?
Well, you know, that would spoil the fun. The company I would like to introduce you to is called Blackwall.
Why does it make me like that? Hijo de tu maldita madre, ¿qué es lo que tú estás hablando? ¿Tú crees que yo soy loco? ¿Tú puedes...
You know, first few weeks have been pretty rough in gaining clients, but we're working our way up, and we're trusting the process.
We have generated over 200% gains in our first few weeks as a company. So you can say we're off to a hot start.
Guys, I've been thinking about it for a little while, and I think it's time we get some help.
Hold on a second, but we really need this help. Eli, buddy, we don't need help. We just need some results. It's been a little slow. Okay, maybe we do need some help. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving.
Okay.
I'm not f***ing leaving!
Dear God.
Mine's
Dear
better.
God.
Mine's better.
No, it's not.
I feel like I'm going to Florida, but it's not me backing out. I'm gonna come.
Beach day!
We're on the way to the beach.
This is about to be a movie because we're about to play spikeball.
Hey.
Rotor!
Chubby.
Sarah Cameron!
Left his feet. We're officially on Hilton Head. We ride it.
got to the beach. Gotta take a massive piss.
Gotta get our stuff out though.
Oh, crap. We gotta get our stuff. Eli's playing some music. It's chill vibes. Damn it, my keys are in my bag. Can you get them out?
Which pocket?
Front pocket. Alright, let's go. Word. Oh my god, there we go.
Generation.
I'm just happy to be here.
You should be.
Yeah, I'm just happy to be here.
This is beautiful.
Patty alert. Patty alert.
Right there? No way. Sheesh. Nice look. Good peep.
We got the bathrooms right here, the changing rooms, this beautiful walkway, and you can look right through those palm trees and see the beach.
Wow.
About to play some spike ball. About to see Yaya do some body surfing.
We gotta show him how to do it.
Body surf.
No, you body surf.
This.
No, me no.
Yeah, you yes.
Oh yeah, midnight. Falling off like my ass. Hey. Oh yeah, you touched it. What are you doing? Yeah, you did it. Hey, oh, yours sir, let him let it. Come on, track, y'all. Yeah!
Hey, ¿qué lo que va?
Yo no te entiendo, I don't understand.
Yeah. Me and Rush are pretty much unbeatable in spike ball.
I'm fairly confident that we can beat anybody on this week.
We're literally peak out. The quote unquote losers are playing, according to Sheila.
Chili, who's playing right now? What's your...
Five versus white. They got two, baby.
The losers.
AKA the losing group.
Yeah, the losing team. Me and Rush have won every game, and she was like, "Get off, the losers are playing." They will be sad.
I got a shot, it's not a pistol. #1 spot, I'm too official. Name ringing bells like school dismissal. She think I'm cold, I seen the nibbles. I got a shot, it's off the dribble. She brought a friend, I'm in the middle. This one right here ain't sentimental. But I know you remember, cause now I'm somebody you used to know. Hanging to places I used to go. Driving G-Wagon with Louis V baggage. You must be used to.
Cigarettes between
You look like.
I thought those were swimming goggles.
Look at all those chicken.
I'll pay you.
Oh, get damn putter and let's go.
Wait, what?
Pick a green. Come on. Be basic and get the white.
I got blue balls.
Me too. What are you doing, Rotor?
I'm stretching, bro. I got
Hey.
All right, Colby. Shot 1. This is a part 2.
Let's just
Oh. All right, Rotor.
Good hit. You have to hit it. Okay, I'm sorry. Get better at the game.
Get in the hole, Tiger.
Alright, that's it's much harder to miss this one.
Very glad it's the family friendly.
I confess it's a shame when you living in a city that's the size of a box and nobody knows your name. Glad to my senses like quick
I get some free butt.
my stomach overcoming by thoughts.
You trash kid.
I'm taking that out. She said I wasn't excited. I wish I wasn't.
Let's go, John Daly.
That was not a good one.
Hey, live there. Live there, buddy.
Oh, 4.
Bench is 275, but can't pull the ball.
Oh. Come on.
Designated drive.
Ow, because we're hammered from cookout. Hey, yo, chill.
Let's go! Come on! Shoot!
Not looking too great for Rotor.
Y'all thought I was Vince?
You missed him by that much, but it's actually a lot. If you really think about it, like probably more than you need.
That's actually funny.
Yeah.
That could do a lot of damage.
It could.
Oh, if you'd have fell in the water.
Mr. Frog. Mr. Frog. Just get it with your hand.
I really don't want to put my hand in there.
I should call her. Oh no no! Okay, a 3.
Up and away we go.